I decided to come get the MBA here at Warwick because I've always been very curious about many topics that are actually the core of the MBA. So things like strategy, marketing, how do you get an idea to market. The key selling point of Warwick were the professors of practice. We're asked a lot of questions in the lectures and we interact quite a lot both with each other and the lecturer, which is very interesting because it's such a diverse group. You're able to put together the academic knowledge into practice from a business perspective, from a boardroom perspective, from a vice president's perspective. That immediate connection helps things make a lot of sense. There's also international trips. We did an international trip to Shanghai. We got to learn from the Tongji University lecturers about the digital economy in China, which was fantastic. Companies come and talk about their journey. For example, recently we had Aston Martin come in talk about how they're totally changing the company from within. I think I see things now in a broader perspective, looking at a business or looking at a process within a business, because the MBA brings together many aspects, both the technical aspect of things, either financial or strategic, but also, and perhaps even more importantly, the human aspect. So the human relations, the soft skills that are required to deal with challenges and so on. I'm really glad I've enrolled on the MBA because I've met fantastic people. I got to learn a lot about key things that make a business be successful, while at the same time building my confidence to know that my opportunities when I finish the MBA will be much, much better than they would have been otherwise.